unboxing video. Alright, so first, I want to show you this DVD I got. That's the movie The Meg. You've probably heard of it since its sequel's in the theater. By the way, I do not own the right to this movie. YouTube, please don't take my video down. Okay. Remember, YouTube, I do not own the rights to this movie. Please don't take my video down. But here's my movie recommendation for The Meg. You've probably seen it. If you haven't, go check it out. It's pretty good, in my opinion. Please don't take my video down, YouTube. Alright, now I have these two Funko Pops. Now, I don't own the right to Pops or the movies that are on here. But I'm going to save these two for later because I have a Funko mystery box. I don't want to take them out of the box if I'm going to be getting them in this bad boy. Alright. Alright, so there's 5 normal Funko Pops in here. 1 Funko Soda. So if you guys are ready, hit that like button. If I can get this open. How do I open this thing? It's gotta be from at least the bottom, right? Oh. Okay. Now you guys listen. I'm gonna put Freddy on the mic and I'll be back. Open the Meg. Okay, guys, sorry about that. I'm probably gonna cut that on my video, but I now have this bad boy open. There's a bunch of Funko Pops in there. Now let's see. All right, so first up, we have Mabriel from Encanto, if you saw that movie. It's a special edition, and it glows in the dark. So, I do not own the rights to this movie, but that's cool, I guess. Next up we have, I don't even know what this is from. Cowboy Bebop. I don't own the rights to that, but I already like her because she has a dog in her backpack. So, then we have Thena from Marvel Eternals. Don't own the rights to that either. But this is a special edition, so that's pretty cool. We have, oh, I know who this is. She's from the movie Lightyear. And, well, I don't own the rights to that movie either. Then we have Supergirl from The Flash. So, yeah. And I don't own The Flash. For Soda, we have Hawkman. That seems kind of cool. So, now, we're going to get everyone open out of their boxes. Alright, first we'll start with Mabel. Right, here is Mabel from Encanto, or Kanto, or whatever. Then we have, next up I'm going to do a lady with the dog. Now, I have a really big feeling this is from an anime, but I'm not sure because it was in Japanese on the box. I really like her because she has a dog in her backpack there. Okay. Okay. Next up we have Lena. This is a special edition, it says so. On. There we go. Okay. Oh, that's why this is a special edition. The bobblehead. So there's that. Next up we have the girl from Lightyear. I really wish we got socks right there. That would have been cool. Wait, let's get her out. And here she is. I like the little balls in her hair. Then we have Supergirl. I think we should have got Batman, to tell you the truth. Alright, Supergirl is on a stand. And she's pretty cool, I guess. Yeah, so there's a Funko Pop we got in that box. Now it's time for the Funko Soda, which I'm actually pretty excited about. Okay. Yeah, I hear you. I'm getting you out, don't worry. Okay, so this guy's from Black Adam. Now, this is what he could possibly look like. Or we could get the rare chase, which I don't know what the chase is. We're going to open this up to find out. I tried to open it like a normal can. Alright. I found the chase. It was Hawkman without his helmet. Oh my god! I actually found the chase! Come on, let's get my own helmet. Kind of hard to get out. I can't believe that we actually got the chase. Sorry this is taking so long. He's just really good deeply in there. He's in there deep. Or it's hard to get him out. Sorry this is taking so long. This is really hard to get out. Okay, finally, we got him out of there. You see, there we go. Now we're making some progress. There he is. Now that's actually pretty cool. And I can't believe we actually found the chase. Look at this. You found the chase. A 1 in 2,000 chance. But guys, the video's not over yet. We still have 2 Funko Pops to get out that I bought. First one is the Gary Library Ghost. It's just the librarian ghost from Ghostbusters, which I do not own the rights to Ghostbusters. If you look up there, 35th anniversary. Don't take my video down, please, YouTube. This took a lot of effort. Alright. Here is the librarian ghost. She's also in a stand as well. She's flying. And if you've seen Ghostbusters, this is one of the best scenes in the entire movie. So yeah, she is pretty cool. And she's a limited edition too. So this is pretty rare. Alright, now we have my personal favorite, the baby clown from Killer Clowns from Outer Space. Killer Clowns from Outer Space, one of my favorite movies of all time. And you guys should really go check it out if you haven't seen it. Here's my other movie recommendation. Here is the baby clown out of the package. This man is insane. And I mean insane. Look at him. I love him and how he's coming out of the popcorn. Alright, so altogether, we scored a rare Funko, a glow-in-the-dark Funko Pop, a little doggy, a person. We have a bobblehead. We got, I like her little buns. We have Supergirl. We have a limited edition. We have this thing. And we found the chase. We actually found the chase. And like I said, movie recommendations of Meg. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. And I will see you guys the next video, which will probably be a gaming video that I'll probably make tonight. So, see ya.